caliber and your determination to win, especially after that setback you had with Ball's injury?
Yeah, it's very disappointing, losing Ball, losing our teammate, losing our brother. Coach said that he messaged him and said he really wanted to be out here. So we wanted to go out there and dedicate the game to him and play for him. And he carried us here, so hopefully we can, bring us across the finish line. We can finish the job. But I don't want to. We have a core guys that when our back is against the wall, we find ways. And today, like I said, a couple lucky bounces, a couple plays we made, and we came out with a win. But it's only one win in the series.
Yeah, what Brandon is referring to is the message of Ball. We're in constant touch, and kinumusta ko siya. I said, "So Ball, how are you?" And I was expecting him to talk about his injury, but Ball's text to me, this is verbatim, and Ball's text was, "I'm just disappointed, coach, that I'm not there with you throughout the playoffs. Because I really felt he had a good chance to win the championship." That's for him, hindi niya iniisip yung future niya, yung career niya, nanghihinayan lang siya na hindi siya kasama namin. So I read that message to the guys before the game, and I said that there's something that is greater here than just basketball. So our relationships, our bond with each other, and I think in the end, we gave ourselves a chance to be lucky. That's what happened.
Ball, but you describe lang po yung relationship na yung mukhang at the beginning parang medyo shaky, reportedly, but
Ang dalawa?
as a team, even ikaw, coach, and then mukhang pagdating ng playoffs, mukhang okay na eh.
Yeah, I don't know where that impression came from, because between us, there's absolutely, magkapit-bahay kami yun eh. We stay in the same condo compound, and when one tower is in the other, we're just opposite. We see each other, even outside practice and outside games. So I've never had a problem with the Ball. He's done everything we asked, offensively, defensively. He's never missed a practice. One time he got sick, one time he went to the dentist. Other than that, he's always been in every practice. But as regards his relationship with his teammates, I think Brandon is the better person to answer that.
Yeah, I mean, you have to understand, Ball is his first time ever leaving the States, so he was adjusting, to the culture, to the country, and like Coach said, he was there every day working. He was receptive to everything that we told him, and it took time. It's really unfortunate because it really felt like it finally clicked for us, and then we went down. But for the most part, Ball was a great teammate. Hopefully, in the future, our paths cross again. But all in all, he was a great guy.
I think I said this before. What really I appreciate about Ball, he's very coachable. In practice, may sabihin ka lang sa kanya, gagawin niya. Pag may sabihin ka lang sa game, gagawin. Pag nagkamali siya that's mine, coach. Minsan nga, pinapagalitan ko yung mga kasama niya. No, sabi, no, that's mine. Sabi, no, that's my fault. It's not mine. So, wala kaming masabi with his attitude, his work ethic. Really, he was a dream to coach. And